Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Learning a new framework or programming language can be an overwhelming task, but by following a structured approach, you can accelerate your learning process. Here's a tutorial on how to learn any new framework or language quickly through 5 effective steps. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into the framework, get a grasp of the fundamentals of the programming language it's built on. Familiarize yourself with the syntax, core concepts, and basic constructs. Example, if you're learning React, JavaScript framework, understand the basics of JavaScript *. JavaScript / JavaScript basics, functions and arrays. Function greet, name. Return hello, $name. Const names equals Alice, Bob, Charlie. Names. For each, name equals console.log, greet, name. Step 2, official documentation. Read the official documentation of the framework. This is often the most reliable source of information. Focus on getting an overview of its architecture and core features. Example, for React, the official documentation is available at React Official Docs, https://reactjs.org/docs/getting-started.html. Step 3, build a simple project. Start by building a small project to apply what you've learned. This could be a to-do list, a simple blog, or any small application that allows you to explore the framework's capabilities. Example, a simple React to-do list application. 1. Set up a React app *. Use create React app to set up your project. Bash npx create React app todo list. cd todo list. npm start. 2. Code the to-do list *. Edit src/app.js to create a simple to-do list. JavaScript. Import React, uses state from React. Function app. Const todos, set odos equals uses state. Const input, set input equals uses state. Const add todo equals. Set odos, todos, input. Set input. Return. div. h1 to-do list /h1. Input. Value equals input. On change equals, equals set input, e.target.value. Placeholder equals add a new todo. / Button on click equals add todo add / button. Todos.map, todo, index, equals. Leaky equals index todo /li. /ul. /div. Export default app. Step 4, explore intermediate concepts. Once you have built something simple, dive deeper into intermediate concepts and features. This might include state management, routing, or API integration, depending on the framework. Example, in React, you can explore hooks like useEffect for side effects. JavaScript. Import React, uses state, useEffect from React. Function timer. Const count, set count equals uses state, 0. UseEffect, equals. Const interval equals set interval, equals. Set count, previous count equals previous count plus 1. 1000. Return, equals clear interval, interval, / cleanup on unmount. Return div count, count / div. Step 5, join the community and practice. Join forums, communities, or social media groups related to the framework to ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from others' experiences. Additionally, Practice regularly by contributing to open source projects or building more complex applications. Example, participate in forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or Discord groups. Conclusion. By following these 5 steps, understanding the basics, reading the official documentation, building a simple project, exploring intermediate concepts, and engaging with the community, you can learn any new framework or programming language quickly and effectively. Remember that consistent practice and real-world application are key to mastering any technology. Happy coding!